Hello and welcome to the screencast of our data story on the topic of comics and diversity. We decided to focus on this subject as nowadays many new audiences are using comics as their connection to the magical world of books and cinema. We wanted to see whether the world of comics is getting more approachable to users of all backgrounds and beliefs. Firstly, we looked into the statistics of comic book characters in order to see the percentage of characters with certain traits. The exact percentages can be seen by hovering over the lines, and the axes representing different features can be reordered and sorted in different ways. Next, we focused on character looks, and after we determined that most of the characters have black hair and blue eyes, we created a bubble diagram where you can see what are some of the most common appearances of characters and how represented they are. After that, we created a bipartite graph that enables you to see the percentage of characters that have a specific origin and alignment. By hovering over one of the axes, you can determine how large a segment of the comic book characters belongs to one of these groups. We then decided to only focus on top 100 characters from some of the most famous themes in the comic book world. You can hover over the cells or click on one of the characters' names if you want to know more details about them. And if you want to see the diversity among them, you can just choose one of the criteria in the top left corner and they will be reordered according to this feature. In the end, we have a timeline that allows you to see how the topic of diversity has changed over the years, and by clicking on one of the characters, you can see why they were groundbreaking for the decade they were created in. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed our video and that you will take some time to explore our data story.